Meaning of defacement.
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 Defacement. Defacement refers to an act of intentionally damaging or vandalizing a physical object, structure, or digital property such as a website. This can include spray painting graffiti on a building, carving initials into a tree, or altering the appearance or content of a website without authorized access. The result of defacement is typically a damaged or altered state that deviates from its original form, often resulting in diminished aesthetic or functional value. Such acts are generally considered illegal and can carry serious consequences for those who engage in them.